Hey guys, it's Roxy Chowdown and welcome to my kitchen. Thank you so much for stopping by. So we are drink pine and ginger. It's a sweet island drink to make you start sing. No guys, I am not drunk. It's not a rum punch. It's just simply pine and ginger. A nice refresher for any time of the year. So here's my method, my peeps. I love my pineapple and ginger drink, rich and healthy. So instead of boiling the skin, I juice the fruit so that my drink is full of flavor and fiber. So here's how I peel my pineapple and cut it up for juicing. When cutting up your pineapple, you want to use a sharp knife. But be careful guys, this is something that I've been doing since I was a child. So I've had lots of practice. Back in the day, my mom would make sure I'd be in the kitchen to help prepare Sunday dinner. Comment below if you helped make juice for Sunday dinner as a child. After removing the eyes, ensure you cut your pineapple in small pieces so as not to overwork your blender. So here I'm dicing up a few pieces of pineapple for my sweet and sour sauce, perfect for sweet and sour chicken or sweet and sour fish or sweet and sour shrimp. Guys, that video will be up soon, so please make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss that finger licking recipe. So next we peel our ginger, which is the co-star of this juice refresher. But guess what? There is another ingredient coming up which gives the perfect kick to this recipe. In fact, I believe it's a #1 flavor enhancer for most drinks. Who can tell me what that is? Go ahead and make a guess, then watch till the end to find out. So it's juicing time and we've added our pineapple pieces and ginger to the blender. You'll see that I've also added some ginger powder, which is something I use a lot of in my recipes because I find that it's more potent than the ginger roots that are available in my grocery store. Next, I've added some sugar, then we'll top things off with some water. Guys, in my recipe, I add sugar to bring back the flavor which the water needed for blending dilutes. But you can certainly forego the sugar by using cane juice if you have it. So here's a blending tip. When juicing, I start by pressing the blend button, then move to grind, then liquefy to gradually help the blender handle the load of fruits. Tell me, what's your favorite button? After you've blended your ingredients, you want to pour 1/3 or 1/2 of your mixture into a strainer to extract your juice. So guys, this step is where you get some good exercise to tone up your arm them. Holding the strainer firmly, use a thick spoon to scrape and thoroughly press out your juice. You may also use your hands to help squeeze your juice through the strainer. Just ensure your hands have been properly washed first. So here you'll see that I'm scraping the underside of my strainer into the bowl. All that stuff is delicious and nutritious fiber that will enhance our juice. So go ahead and get all that goodness in. When you've completely squeezed out your first batch of juice, add the remaining juice and repeat the straining process until done. Then discard the trash. In my books, no juice or drink is complete without some vitamin C rich lemon or lime juice, which adds that tasty tang and refreshing element to your beverage. After mixing, give your drink a taste to know whether to add a bit more sweetener, water, or ginger. Who's feeling for some of this refreshing juice right now? Please go ahead, give this video a thumbs up if pineapple and ginger juice is one of your favorites. So guys, when you've achieved the taste you love, pour your juice in a sealable container, refrigerate, or serve on ice and enjoy.